Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Another day, another story. Today I am in Yellowstone National Park, actually. Pretty cool place. To be honest, to visit this place was one of my biggest dreams. And well, today I made it. And it's gorgeous and it's beautiful. And as you can see, I am like in the woods, like completely in the woods. Well, just taking a short walk. Anyways, the whole entire main message of today's video is that follow your dreams. You know, no matter what, never stop dreaming and never stop going for your dreams. Because once you're gonna reach your dream, you're gonna feel so happy and it's beautiful and it's amazing. So dream, go for your dreams and be happy. And well, this video is obviously going to be about Yellowstone National Park, so I'd say let's check it out. 150 years ago, Yellowstone became world's first national park. And it is great that back in the days people realized the need of protecting this area for the future generations, so we can come and visit this incredible nature. And you know, to be honest, I was amazed with this national park. So many things to see, so many places to visit. Wow. Of course, Old Faithful Geyser, one of the most incredible and iconic geysers in the whole entire world. I have a separate video of the whole entire eruption of this geyser, but I decided to include some part of the eruption in this video as well, so you can check it out and see what to expect when you're going to be visiting Yellowstone National Park. But trust me, seeing this geyser and the whole entire area actually is just something special. It's pretty wild nature, guys. Even though like you see a lot of people walking around and like, you know, buildings located not far away from all these big geysers, but still it's very incredible atmosphere. And not for nothing, you can feel it. You can feel this interesting nature. You can feel the energy of this place just by walking around all these geysers. And listen, there is something special in Yellowstone. I think that's why a lot of people actually going there, because the energy which you receive from this place is just incredible. And not for nothing, the Old Faithful Geyser and the area around this geyser, I would say, is a number one thing which I would visit, because listen, it's worth it, and at the same moment it will give you, you know, an idea what to expect from the whole entire national park. Because don't forget, Yellowstone is a pretty huge national park. Me personally, I've spent here 3 days, but it wasn't enough, to be honest, to cover every single place which I wanted to visit. I probably covered about 80% of my plan, which is good as well, but well, if I would be planning another trip to Yellowstone, I probably would reserve at least 5 days in this national park, because the place is truly huge. Prismatic Spring and Excelsior Geyser is another interesting destination in Yellowstone National Park, which I highly recommend to visit. To be honest, when I was visiting the park, it was about 20 minutes delay due to parking. It's a lot of people trying to get into the parking lot next to this spring, and yeah, sometimes you just have to stay and wait, and it took me about 20 minutes. But guys, listen, it's definitely worth it. The spring itself is just magnetic. And well, I gotta tell you that you probably seen a lot of pictures of the Grand Prismatic Spring, and you saw all this rainbow colors and etc. And you're probably thinking, well, I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna see it and I'm gonna, take beautiful pictures and etc. etc. But I gotta tell you that the spring is so big and so magnificent that, well, you probably not going to be able to take really good pictures from this point, because you gotta get a little bit higher. They do have another trail, which actually was closed when I was visiting National Park. The trail was just filled with snow, and they just closed it. But I still managed to get an aerial picture of this entire spring, so you can have an idea what to expect. But listen, highly recommend to visit this place. It's incredible, it's beautiful, it's magical, and you simply must see this place. Well guys, as you can see, Yellowstone National Park has a lot of interesting places, a lot of geysers, a lot of hot streams, hey, a lot of things honestly to see in this place. Me personally, I came here to see geysers. I've never seen geysers in my life before visiting Yellowstone. That's why it was kind of like, like a main thing to see. I truly happy that I accomplished this mission, because, well, it's only a few places actually in the world where you can see geysers, and it's just a few places which are truly accessible, where you can actually go and see those geysers. Because, well, safe example, they do have a geyser valley in Kamchatka region in Russia, but the place is hardly accessible. You can, just simply go in there and see all those geysers, because, well, the place is completely wild. So yeah, it's only a few places where you can go, rent a car, and just simply enjoy your day or a week or whatever time and see these beauties of nature. It's incredible. That's why I highly recommend you to come to Yellowstone National Park, see these things for yourself, enjoy the nature, enjoy the energy of this place, and enjoy the whole entire atmosphere of Yellowstone.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, what can I tell you? Yellowstone National Park is a really awesome place to visit. No jokes. I've been here for a few days and, joy, happiness, and just awesome emotions. Because, listen, seeing this wildlife, seeing this nature, seeing these geysers, wow, it's incredible. Honestly, highly recommend to come and visit Yellowstone National Park. I think it's one of those must-see places, especially for those people who love nature, who truly love wildlife. And not for nothing, it's not as far as I thought. I mean, yeah, it's a drive, but still, it's very much accessible. Another thing which I have to mention is that this park is really huge, so if you're planning to come here, please reserve at least a few days to be here, at least 2-3 days, because park is really big and it's a lot of things to see. And again, everywhere you go, it's a lot of tourists, so parking spots limited, so sometimes you have to wait for a park and stuff like that. It's a lot of things. So yeah, you need at least 2-3 days, but if you really want to enjoy this place, if you really want to go hiking, if you really want to take your time and etc., I probably would recommend 4 or 5 days. I've met several people here who actually staying here for 5 days, and they said that this is the optimal number of days in Yellowstone. So I would agree with them regarding 5 days. I think that's the optimal number, especially if you want to see the whole entire park and you want to visit every single attraction in here. So yeah, if you love nature, if you love wildlife, if you want to see something really cool like geysers, come here. Yellowstone National Park. Place is truly amazing.